What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm just going to be showing you something with the Meguiars Compound and the drill over there. We did it on the headlights, but now I have a scratch on my hood right there, if you guys can see that. It doesn't look terrible from afar if you look at it like this, but once you get closer you really can see the scratch. Alright, so we're gonna see what we could do about this. I'm gonna see if the compound and then the buffer on the drill works. I just put the compound on the drill, so I'm gonna turn it over and see what we could do. There's the scratch is right there. Alright guys, I did it a couple times with the compound and the drill. The scratch is still there ever so slightly in the paint, but I don't know how to explain it, but the scratch looks better, but you could still see it. See if I get a good focus through the phone. There you go. The scratch is still there, but I feel like I took the paint transfer out of it, and now it's just a scratch.